everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all well. It is Monday I always forget the day, so I have to check. Monday the 18th of March, and I'm really not feeling the best, to be honest. I had the worst migraine last night that I've ever had. I felt so sick and I went to sleep really early, didn't eat any dinner, so yeah, it's not great. But I thought I'd still start the vlog. I'm going to try go on a walk today because it is such a nice day. It's so sunny. I still wanted to start the vlog today and just show that like my week is not always going as planned. Obviously today I was meant to go to uni, I had this whole plan and it hasn't worked out because I'm just feeling ill. So come along with me for my week. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to try and make it longer than my last video. I thought I'd film loads last week. I really did. And then I finished editing it and it was like 9 minutes long and I was like, oh, okay. So I'm going to try talk more in this because maybe it's because I didn't do a lot of like talking clips. So yeah, hope you guys don't mind more chatting in the vlogs. And I'll try film more when I actually go out as well. I feel like I'm not great at like public vlogging. I do need to improve on that because then I'll get more footage. But yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoy spending the week with me and let's start the day. I'm walking into town because I just want to get out of the house. I'm gonna walk into town, gonna go to some shops, get some food shopping. We've got like no food in and I want to cook myself something nice tonight, something fresh. I don't know what is wrong with me recently, but I just feel quite depressed and I feel scared to say that because obviously I'm really happy with my life and stuff. For some reason I just have this constant feeling of depression. I don't know what to really call it. I'm not diagnosed with depression, but that's how I would describe it. I'm gonna try and get some fresh air. I think it'll make me feel better physically as well. Every time I walk past this one house in our area, there's always a little black cat sat in the window and it literally makes me so happy. And he was just there now, but I couldn't film him because the person was in their living room. I don't really want to be filming people's houses, but yeah, it was so cute. He always makes me so happy because he's literally always there. It's crazy. I don't think he goes out. He just sits there and like looks out the window. It's Tuesday today and it is so sunny. Unfortunately, I was so ill last night. This returns back to Boho Moon because I got some of the wrong sizes in the rings that I ordered. It is already like 3, I think. So it's been a bit of a late start, but I just needed the sleep and I needed to recuperate. So now I'm going to try and get a bit of fresh air. Beach just to get some fresh air and I'm feeling quite ill again, so I feel like maybe we'll go home soon. Josh wants to get some food but I honestly don't think I can stomach anything. I've just had that acai bowl in Priory Press and that was really nice, but I think just eating literally anything has just made me feel poorly again. Josh doesn't have a care in the world. As long as he's not ill it's all good, isn't it? Yeah?
You do the same thing.
I'm joking. Is everything in there?
No pottery, but
oh,
it's
oh
fine.
well.
I'll just use my hands.
Home time again. Are you excited, Josh? If you watched the last vlog, you'll know that me and Josh were looking for the True Fruits, I think they're called, that have gone viral on TikTok in Tesco last week. and we looked again today on the way home and then we're out of stock again, so we couldn't get them. So instead we were like, let's get these. We both had Little Moons before, but we haven't had the popcorn one, so we thought we'd try these. I'm gonna do a taste test of the, what are they called, just Little Moons. They're really good. They literally taste like popcorn. I am working today, as you guys will have seen. I've got quite a few clients booked in because I was on annual leave last week, and obviously that means that I've had clients waiting, so I've had to book them in for today. And I've got annual leave tomorrow as well, and then I've got a face-to-face appointment on Friday. And because I only work a half day on Friday, it means like the whole block of time is going to be me going to the face-to-face appointment and having the appointment. So I had to book all of my clients in for today, so it's made it a very busy day. I also had the dentist today. Again, if you watched my last weekly vlog, you're probably thinking like, you literally went to the dentist last week. I'm getting retainers again, so I'm going to get my molds done at the dentist, which I am literally dreading. If any of you guys are watching this and you've had braces or you've just had molds taken, you'll know the experience is absolutely horrific. Vlog.
Why did you turn it off? And now it's not going to turn back on.
Well, just turn the car on, it's not that big a deal. We've made it to the dentist. We're quite early, so I think I'm just going to sit in the car for a bit. Unfortunately, Josh has no service, so he's just going to be sat in the car for like 20 minutes with nothing to do. Josh! No, because it's in gear! No, because it's in gear!
Then put it out of gear, you freak. Also, I don't need it all on, I just need this on.
Shush!
Palm to palm, we were always just a how come when I reach out my finger. It feels like more than distance between us. In this California fever, we're 10,000 miles apart.
Guys, the dentist was successful. Now we're going into Co-op. Normally I finish work at 4:30, but I'm gonna finish at 5:30 today because, thank you Josh, because obviously I went to the dentist, so I'm gonna do like an extra hour. It's now 4:20, so I've got like an hour and a bit left, but as I said, normally I would finish now. I'm out into the countryside, but I literally live in the countryside. But I said there was some people in my family staying. Some of my family were on holiday nearby to where I live, so they're coming around tonight for dinner. We're having Chinese takeaway. Morning everybody, it is Thursday today. I might be meeting my friend Simone, but I'm not sure yet. I just want to introduce the vlog. I've got annual leave off work today. I can't remember if I mentioned that already in this video, so that's fun. And me and Josh are going to be heading back to Newcastle later tonight because I've got work tomorrow that I need to be back for. I hope you're enjoying the vlog so far, and let's get the day started. I'm wearing this set. I was wearing the other colour that I've got the other day, but it's from Sisters and Seekers. You can't really see it that well. It's just like a gym set. It's like a off-white sort of colour. I literally love it so much. So I am going to meet Simone. I'm going to set off soon. Josh, you're going to stay here, aren't you? Which I feel bad about, but he said he doesn't mind. So yeah, that's what's going to happen today. I feel like every vlog I've done, I'm meeting Simone. We don't actually usually meet this regularly, but we've just both, like, our schedules have aligned. So it's quite nice because we've got to see each other a lot more recently than we usually do. Gonna have some, I was gonna say breakfast. It is literally 12. Oh yeah, they're my sisters. You can have one if you want. And then I'll go after I've eaten something. We've got to ask your guys' opinion. No one's gonna reply, like, I know for a fact. I'll literally bet 100 quid on this. But Josh just said he hates that these French fry crisps are like the wrong way around in terms of like cheese and onion is blue, green is salt and vinegar. To me, that's the right way around. So what do you guys think is blue and what do you guys think is green? Because I'm thinking in terms of Walkers. But then Josh said that squares are the other way around, which is true. And I do like a good square.
Pringles as well.
Yeah, Pringles as well. We're at KFC. I did meet Simone, but obviously didn't film anything. I feel like I never film anything when I'm with my friends, but I don't want to just like, to be honest, I always just forget because I'm so busy chatting away and like listening that I'm actually vlogging. So yeah, but we're at KFC. Well, me and Josh are at KFC. I had to go home and pick him up first, so I basically driven back to the same place, but it's fine. And we'll probably set off back to Newcastle. I want to set off as late as possible, to be honest. I don't want to go back. The only reason I'm going back is because I've got work tomorrow. I need to be back for that because I've got an appointment. Guys, we finally found them, but these are the raspberries, but we're still going to try them. We did want the strawberry ones, but they're out of stock of them. But at least we got some. Oh wait, they're not called true fruits, they're called true fruit.
Did you not know that?
This whole time to the vlog I've been saying true fruit. We're going to do a taste test of the true fruits that we just bought. So these are the raspberry ones in white and dark chocolate. I don't like dark chocolate usually, so I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about these. It is good for you, yeah, but I just...
Well, kind of.
I don't really like them.
Tastes like chocolate.
I want to see what they look like. Ooh.
They look nice actually.
They do.
I like them, man. They're a bit sour. Or at least this one was. I like them.
Oh god, we're cold.
Yeah.
It's like, you know, when I have for breakfast the bagel with the Nutella and the raspberries. That's literally that. I rate them 7 out of 10. They're not amazing.
Yeah, I was going to say 7.5.
But
I
still
think the
good.
strawberry ones would be nicer.
I think I'd prefer the strawberry, but they're still good. We're packing to go back home now. Well, not back home, back to Newcastle.
Back to the tune.
Josh is home. We've been playing on my Switch for a while with my dad. We normally play with my mum as well, but she didn't want to play today. So yeah. I was going to say another day, another Tesco trip. Another hour, another Tesco trip. Me and Josh don't actually go to Tesco this much normally. It's just because one, we were looking for those things that we wanted to buy last week. And now we need to get something for dinner because we've just got back to Newcastle. And on the way back, we just thought we'd stop at Tesco because we've got nothing in for dinner and it's like 9 o'clock. Obviously, we ate KFC, but that was at like... What time was that? Like 4:15 maybe? So obviously we haven't eaten for a good while. Happy Friday, everybody. Today is an exciting and nerve-wracking day. So I have work today from 9 until 1:15. And I'm actually doing my first ever solo face-to-face appointment with a client at work. So I'm feeling really anxious because this is like a big deal for me. But I'm like the person that shouldn't feel anxious because the client will probably be so much more anxious than me. But yeah, so I'm going to do that today. It's at 10:30. It is currently 9:25, so I've got a bit of time, but I did want to set off quite early just so I can get there, get set up, get all my things together that I need for the appointment. But I also need to do a little bit of planning for the appointment just before I go, so I'm going to do that now. I've just arrived for my appointment, so I'm going to go in and get set up and wait for the client to arrive. I'm in bed. I've finished work. The appointment lasted 2.5 hours. It was only meant to be like an hour. I was meant to finish work at 1:45, but then 1:30ish when I got back here. But yeah, so it went well. Like, obviously, I think I mentioned it was my first one, but I was a lot less nervous when the client arrived. I think it was just like the nerves beforehand. that were making me feel anxious. And yeah, so that's done, and now I'm finished work for the day. Me and Josh are going to go out in a bit because I've got something to collect from the post office. I'm going to the post office to collect my parcel that I got delivered there. Yeah, we need to go to Metro Centre because Josh has a parcel to collect from H&M there, so yeah, let's go. I forgot to vlog when I was out. Well, we were only out for like 10 minutes, but I just went to collect my parcel and Josh is just hanging his washing up. Then we're going to go to the Metro Centre. From Sisters and Seekers, they brought out their Active Cup, and it's basically like a dupe of, show my purse. It's basically a dupe of the Stanley Cup, so I got it because I'm basic, and I've got a few hoodies from Sisters and Seekers and 2 gym sets, and I literally am obsessed with them. So I was like, I want to get the cup as well. I love that, and it just says on it, Seekers Sports. Josh got his parcel. He ordered some necklaces, I think.
It says open.
Just filmed the whole clip and it wasn't even filming, but basically I said Josh has got his parcel now. We're going to go home because Josh has got work and he needs to get ready, and we're going to be late, so. I'm in bed again. I have felt so ill this evening, is a joke. I haven't really spoke a lot about it in this vlog just because I don't want to go into details, but I've been quite ill this week, like at on and off point. Just it's come on again tonight in full force, and I just feel horrendous. It's just like a headache. I feel sick. I think I'm going to take time to recover. I'm going to have a weekend off from vlogging, because I know in my last weekly vlog I vlogged this Saturday, but I'm just going to leave that because I'm not doing anything tomorrow anyway, and no doubt I'll probably feel ill again. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate all the support, and just even if you watched 1 second of it, I really appreciate it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.